Hi guys, this is just a short uh, tip that I'm giving out to those that are using Corel Draw. If you know you are using Corel Draw for higher version and unfortunately you step down to lower version and because you design in higher version, you can't open the file a day. With this site, you can quickly just do all your arrangement over here as you can see here. So with this over here, you can quickly do your arrangement. You can quickly step down your Corel Draw to this version. So all you need is just to upload your file, check the version you want to step it down to, and boom, that is just it. So you have all categories that you can reduce your file to. All categories. You can see, choose all your file format and all that. Then once you are download, you can open it instantly. You can reduce it to either Corel Draw 2024, 2020, 2019, 2018, X7, X3, just like that. Except your file, maybe your file has an issue or it corrupt, that's when it cannot work. So we will have other options over here, as you can see. They have other options that you can step down your files to. You can even convert your Corel Draw file to AI over here, just like this. So this is just a quick tutorial. And secondly, you don't have to sign up. No, 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 no. You don't have to sign up. It's just for you to upload your file, choose the version you want to step it down to, and boom, that is just it. It's fast and it's easy. And once your file is up to 24 hours, you can't get it there again. So anything you have to do, just quickly have to just upload it, reduce it to the file that the version you want to reduce it to, and quickly download. So thank you and stay blessed.